Hi YouTube friends, today my mommy's going to show you my hair routine. So listen, it's going to end up like so wonderful. At the end, oh my gosh, oh my god.
Prior to washing her hair, I will put oil on her hair and let it sit for 1 whole hour before I wash her hair. This is the Amla Indian oil that I use for her hair. Believe me, I tried it all. Been there, done that. Trial and error. I bought everything, I tried everything, and this is what works for us. Amla oil. In this video, I'm going to show you what I do only on half of her hair because she has so much hair, and usually this is actually my routine. I divide her hair in two, work on one side, then the other, and so forth. So the same thing I do in the shower. Her hair is shiny, it's gorgeous, but her problem area would be root and tips. So I have to concentrate on putting that wonderful oil there. I gently detangle, separate, but I try not to do my detangling out here. My detangling is always in the shower. Now, her hair is mixed, Mexican and African American. She has gorgeous hair and it is long. I put some of the oil on my hand, just like so. I rub it extra fast to warm it up and make sure that it is silky and goes smoothly on her hair. I want to make sure to get those tips and the root. Now in this video, I'm going to show you only half of the routine because she's got so much hair. And it also helps me show you what I do in the shower. I do the exact same thing I'm doing here, however, with shampoo and conditioner. While one side is tied and in a ponytail, I work on one side. When this side is done, I rinse it and I put it back in a ponytail, and then I go to the other side. This helps because look, she's got so much gorgeous curly hair, and it's lots of it. So I have to brace myself and find a way where it's not overwhelming because it's so much. And I find it that sometimes it gets more tangled if I leave it loose like this as opposed to dividing it in half. And it really helps maintain her hair smooth, and then there's less tears. Now let me show you the shampoo I use. It's this one, and I'm going to link it below. This shampoo along with the Indian oil works miracles. Now the shampoo that I use, the conditioner that I use is this one. And I use lots of it, you guys. I buy a lot of this stuff and keep it in handy because I use lots of it. There's no need for tears. You put a lot of this stuff and it detangles her hair perfectly. I divide it and I make sure that I do section by section. Don't overwhelm yourself. And then I pour the conditioner underneath, on top, and at the tips, and simply with my fingers I detangle it that way. No need for a comb. Before I had to use a comb and there were a lot of tears and just a lot of stuff going on, but you have to maintain a routine. It is very important to maintain a routine. Her hair is now washed, and as you can see, I've already taking care of that other side. So in this bottle, all I have is a little bit of that oil with lots of water, drinking water, natural water. And I spray a little bit on her hair. Now remember, I've already done all of the detangling in the shower, so there's no need for detangling here. All I'm gonna do is work the tips, because the tips are the ones that again get a little bit dry and somehow get a little bit tangled even in a short time. So I'm just gonna get those little knots out. Now originally we had made this video and my husband noticed that the baby, our son, was in the background, our baby boy, newborn. Actually not, he's a few months old, but he was making a lot of noise in the background, and when I heard the video it was very annoying, so we had to do a voiceover. But this is fine, it's perfect. Not everything was going to be perfect, we knew. Okay, so back to the video. I put a little bit of that tight hold, again, link will be below, on a brush. And I'm brushing her hair just to get those little baby hairs that sometimes are loose. We just want to smooth them down, and as you can see, her hair is gorgeous, and I'm combing her hair with no problems. This was not always the case. I'm telling you guys, we struggled, but we found our way. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do a ponytail and then a braid. Once her hair is braided, I will put a scarf over her hair scarf, and it'll stay put overnight, and her hair will look just like this just about by the time she wakes up. And then after that, I can undo her braids and do a hairstyle, or leave it as is. It works both ways. Now the scarf thing was also an issue because I bought a few scarves that did not work, and they kept falling, so her hair was a little frizzy when she woke up. But I bought this great scarf now for her hair that stays put and leaves her hair manageable in the mornings. Just one simple braid, that's all you have to do. And I can't stress enough that there has to be a routine. So my routine is every other night I do this, and it helps keep her hair smooth and untangled, so that when I go and do a little hairstyle, it is so easy and manageable. I love her hair natural. I never try to flatten it or do anything else. I love her hair as is, natural. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. And now I just want to say thank you guys for watching our video, and I hope you like it, and I hope the products that we have here will help somebody else, or maybe you guys can give us some tips on the comments below. Let us know what your routine is and the products that you use. I'm not going to be trying anything out because this works for us, but I would definitely look at any suggestions you have. And maybe for fun, we will try them. So thank you very much, everybody, for watching this video. And I hope you enjoy it. And hopefully you can comment below, like, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching my video. Bye, YouTube friends.